The sky's gonna open up on me today? I don't think so. Hey, I'm Fish. Last night I went to check my light that I made, converted, modified over. How sweet it is. I think I'm gonna do another one. As we ride along on the bike trail, we'll head on down and get to where we need to be going. I made it down early. I get to see the cruise ship coming in. I may have enough energy to get down to the pier and see it over there. And the cruise ship's all the way down at the end. Well, maybe next time we'll get to see it. I've been on the Eclipse, and what a nice ship it is. And yeah, let me tell you, I've been all over that ship. Best time of my life. What deck do you like on the cruise ship? I bet you like deck 4 or more like deck 14. Yeah, man, go get your food. Well, the sun is up. I got my 3 buddies here being chased away. Let's get on out of here. Let's go right back. Did my fun for the day. Get on going. Got some activity happening. Yeah. Come on down a little later. See what it's about. Put up some signs. City try, run. I guess if you want to run, come on this way. Get on down and go run. Maybe it's time to look back memory lane. And if I can't find anything, I'm out of here. The mensch could be anywhere on the... So enjoy. Have a great day. I'm Fish.